Just now, a kind of fucking criminal activity. I was in the showers. I came out. While I was inside, I heard the door. Someone opened the door, and the door makes noises. So the matter which has happened is, I didn't do the triple lock because my brother is out there, and he might use the keys and he might come inside. So I heard the door noise. I was in my washroom. Look, the showers are still on. The tap is still on. I came outside immediately. Look, the tap is fucking still on. So someone came inside and did something. Whatever they did, I still don't know what they did. Someone fucking came inside. I gotta reconfirm my brother that whether it was you or someone else. So it might be within this 5 minutes. The time is wait. I have to give you the exact time. It's 18:47. So consider 18:35 till now. 18:37 till now. Capture this 10 minutes. Okay? Criminal activity. I'm not making this shit up because the accusations are are my evidences. And I was in my fucking showers. So the clone key, the one who with the fucking clone key comes inside. And I'm still fucking wet. You know this part? I thought it's my brother. Who the fuck was it? I still don't get it. I'm gonna reconfirm my brother when he comes here.